What's up guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skate Park. And after 20 years of teaching skateboarding, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do heel flips today with my friend and sponsored skateboarder, Kenny Goodman. Check it out. Heel flips are very similar to kick flips, and many people debate which is easier to learn first. For these tricks, it helps if you can skate comfortably, ollie consistently, kick flip. If you don't know how to do any of these, please watch my other videos on this channel to catch up. Here are the simple steps for heel flips. The skill level for this trick is intermediate, and the risk level for this trick is low. Here's the foot setup position for heel flips, so be sure to take a screenshot as a reference for later. Push off into slow speed and set your feet into riding position. Slide your front foot over so just your toes can curl over the edge of the board. Start with your back foot centered on the tip of the tail and power focused on the ball of your foot. Your back foot should be in the same position as when you ollie. Now that your feet are set in heel flip position, bend down balance, keeping your shoulders parallel with your board for your pop. Pop hard and kick your front foot up and out so the side of your shoe and heel catches the concave of the nose for your flip. Remember to jump up extra high as you pop and pull your knees up under your body for a little extra time for your board rotation. Look down and watch your board flip speed so you know when it's time to extend your legs down for your board catch. Extend your legs down and commit to catching your board. Keep your head over your board and in between your feet as you bend down into your landing. Here's how to bail. On flat, you can spread your feet and run it out, but I highly recommend trying to land over top of your board to build a good habit of committing. Please share this video with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. Leave me your comments with your location, including any questions you may have, ideas or lessons for future videos, and your thoughts or feedback about this video, so I can continue to do my best to help you guys reach your goals. I hope you guys learned these tricks and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Please help support us. Click the like and subscribe button to encourage me to make a new video for you every week. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons.